Explore AI across your business. See how you can benefit from built-in AI for your core business processes, connecting finance, supply chain, procurement, sales and marketing, human resources, and IT. Finance with AI. Increase performance across a range of financial activities from payments, expense management, and financial close to invoice management, auditing, forecasting, and more. Reduce days sales outstanding with intelligent invoice matching. Streamline calculations for purchase order accruals. Guard against fraud with AI-assisted anomaly detection. Simplify financial close with intelligent intercompany reconciliation. Supply chain with AI. Create a risk-resilient and sustainable supply chain with built-in AI that is connected and contextualized. Predict customer demand and rapidly adjust to change. Improve QA with AI-enabled visual inspection and anomaly detection. Mitigate risk with preventive maintenance guidance. Increase production efficiency with intelligent auto-dispatching. Human resources with AI. Tap the power of AI to cultivate a dynamic, inclusive, and future-ready workforce that is connected, data-driven, and employee-centric. Grow your employees' skills and careers with personalized recommendations. Optimize workforce planning with intelligent staffing analysis. Identify highly qualified talent and match them to opportunities. Enhance the employee experience with a digital assistant. Sales and marketing with AI. Personalize the entire customer journey with AI-based recommendations, strengthen sales pipelines with intelligent lead scoring, and turn prospects into lifelong customers. Hyper-personalize product recommendations across marketing channels. Predict customer behavior and minimize customer churn. Increase deal size with upsell and pricing recommendations. Guide your sales force to the opportunities with the highest close potential. Information technology with AI. Empower IT and SAP solutions with AI capabilities and drive faster, better decision-making throughout the organization. Build AI into your SAP applications with a library of pre-trained models. Manage the AI model lifecycle in one central place. Deploy and run AI models at scale without compromising data privacy. Explore relationships in your dataset and predict future events. Let's connect.